Let's kickstart this edition with some news just coming in. Next, India skipper drops a bombshell over captaincy fiasco. He's tweeted, and I quote, Virat Kohli is informed that he is not available for the ODI series and Rohit Sharma is unavailable for the upcoming test. There's no harm in taking a break, but the timing has to be better. This substantiates speculation about the rift. Neither will be given up any form of cricket is what ex-captain Captain Azhar has questioned the timing, of course, and we just put that tweet out of the break that Kohli Rohit are taking. Rohit to skip test series against South Africa because of an injury. Kohli said to skip ODI series. The timing of this is suspect is what is being said by Azharuddin. Nitin Srivastava is getting us more details on that. Nitin, ये सवाल तो उठता ही है कि इस समय ये टाइमिंग काफ़ी ख़राब है इस तरह का अनाउंसमेंट करने में एक नुकसान In fact, there could be further damage also as far as India's own performance is concerned with both the absence of Rohit and Virat.
Right, I mean, absolutely. Former India skipper Mohammad Azharuddin is tweeting and questioning about the timing of both the players. I mean, Rohit Sharma, as we broke the story last night, that Rohit will not be available for the Test series because of the injury. But today, the big development is coming up, and that is what we are learning from the board, from the sources, that Virat Kohli is asked, basically, I mean, from the sources that we are learning, that Virat Kohli has asked for a break from the board and giving personal reasons. But, I mean, as the former India skipper, Mohammad Azharuddin is questioning about the timing of both the players, it is something which needs to be taken care of, because this timing are actually some point of concern as of now. But there is nothing official from BCCI as of now. Okay. That's why Virat Kohli is asking for a break. Is he going for a break? It yet to be an official announcement has to come from BCCI on this issue.
Yes, be with us, Nitin. I'll just come back to you for more on that. Siddhant Maheshwari, my colleague, is also getting us more details on that big story. The optics of this, the message that goes out to the team, Siddhant, in terms of the morale, that the two captains are not playing together at the end of the day, isn't it?
Test series, we got to know that Rohit Sharma has a hamstring problem and he won't be available for the 3 Test series. And now reports tell us, the sources in the BCCI have told us that Virat Kohli is all set to opt out of this 3-match ODI series. Even though nothing has been confirmed in the BCCI, of course, there's speculations all over the place. Everybody in the media is talking about how there's definitely an ongoing rift between these two. If you know that on December 8th, it's not been a week, also not been even 7 days since it was announced that Virat Kohli has been removed as the captain of the Indian ODI side. In September earlier this year, Sneha, we got to know that Virat Kohli was looking at not being India's T20 international skipper after the T20 World Cup. But he still wanted to be the ODI skipper. He still wanted to lead the side in Test. But selectors have chosen Rohit Sharma now as their limited over skipper entirely. Even though it feels like Virat Kohli wanted to keep going on as the ODI skipper for this Indian side. But somehow the selectors decided that, of course, because Rohit Sharma was going to lead them in the T20 internationals, the selectors decided that we'll only have one white ball skipper, and that'll be Rohit Sharma. So definitely there's something ongoing, and now Mohammad Azharuddin's tweet points out that the timing is all wrong, Sneha. If you look at what happened yesterday, we got to know about Rohit Sharma's injury. Today we got to know about Virat Kohli's decision altogether of not being there for the 3-match ODI series in South Africa. So the timing is definitely questionable, Sneha.
There's been no formal announcement yet. You know, Siddhant, is what Nitin is telling us from the BCCI.
Been no formal announcement at all till now, but what we have seen, like yesterday also, we got reports earlier before it was confirmed by the BCCI in the evening that Rohit Sharma has in fact suffered a hamstring injury. So we are made to believe, and we of course will talk about what the sources in BCCI have told India Today as well. So with that info that we have got, Virat Kohli will probably miss the 3-match ODI series in South Africa that happens in January. There's a lot of speculation on social media. There are people talking about how it's Virat Kohli's daughter's first birthday in January, and that is why he's probably going to miss the 3-match ODI series. But let me clear that out for our viewers. The third test, like Virat Kohli's daughter's birthday, is on January 11th. And at that time, India's third test will be going on. So definitely there's nothing about whether Virat Kohli wants to spend time with his family because it's his daughter's birthday. All that information is definitely incorrect. That's doing the rounds on social media.
Yes, but the fact of the matter, Nitin, is that social media, cricket fans, Twitterati extremely upset. Many of them talking about the fact that this is just, ego of two men. They're clashing because of their egos, and cricket will suffer at the end of the day.
See, we need to understand that this is the time where Team India is going through a really hard time because, in terms of on social media, how people are reacting on the Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, there's something which actually BCCI should take care, because see, as of now, there's nothing clear about Virat Kohli's participation in ODI series. As of now, there's no official confirmation from both. But as per the sources, what we are learning from, Virat Kohli has asked for a break, and as Mohammad Azharuddin, he has tweeted saying that, questioning about the timing. But one thing which needs to be taken care from the board, and there should be a clear message to the people outside, because in India, cricket is religion. Everybody follows cricket, so they need an official confirmation whether it is Virat Kohli is going to participate in the ODI matches in South Africa, or he is taking break. But one thing, as Siddhant was saying, there is no connection of Virat Kohli's daughter's birthday to this break.
Right, Nitin, thanks for getting us up to speed. With that, also thanking Siddhant Maheshwari with his inputs on that important story that we're tracking. Former Indian captain Azharuddin has now questioned the timing of both Rohit and Kohli's unavailability. He says no harm in taking a break, but the timing of this is suspect.